Welcome to Monday's Mindful Community Collective Meditation. We're thrilled that you're a part of our mindfulness community. Please share this meditation with others in your life so that this community continues to grow. Today's meditation is in honor of the great spiritual leader and Zen master Thich Nhat Hanh, who left the earth recently and who will be greatly missed. Thich Nhat Hanh was a global spiritual leader, a poet and peace activist, and he was revered throughout the world for his powerful teachings and best-selling writings on mindfulness and peace. His key teaching is that through mindfulness we can learn to live happily in the present moment, the only way to truly develop peace both in oneself and in the world. Today's meditation is adapted from some of Thich Nhat Hanh's writings, and today's meditation is a short teaching on mindfulness breathing. So, as always, just get comfortable where you're sitting, and you can just put your feet grounded onto the floor. You may lay your hands gently in your lap, close your eyes, and as your body is settling in, just bring your awareness to your breath, to your breathing. And begin to notice the breath coming in and the breath going out. And follow the breath with your awareness. Follow the breath all the way in and follow the breath all the way out, not trying to change it in any way at all. Just breathing in, feeling the breath as it passes through your nostrils, and breathing out, feeling the breath as it leaves your nostrils. Keeping your awareness lightly and gently on your breath. Just breathing mindfully in the present moment. And as you're doing this, you can say to yourself internally, breathing in, I know I'm breathing in. And breathing out, I know I'm breathing out. If thoughts come in, as they always do, just acknowledge the thoughts without judgment and let them go. Let them drift away like clouds floating across the sky. And bring your awareness back to your breath, back to your breathing, back to the present moment. Breathing in, I know I'm breathing in. Breathing out, I know I'm breathing out. Each time your attention moves away from the breath, distracted by a thought about something you have to remember to do, perhaps, or maybe something that's bothering you or worrying you, notice the thought. Just acknowledge the thought and then just let it go. And bring your awareness back to your breath, back to the present moment. Letting your full awareness be on the breath as it comes in and as it goes out. Noticing the familiar rhythm of the breath. Breathing in, I calm my body. Breathing out, I smile. When you bring your awareness to the breath in this way, you're connecting the mind and the body in the present moment. The word for breath and the word for spirit in many languages is the same. So bringing your awareness to your breath connects mind, body, and spirit in the present moment. Dwelling in the present moment, I know this is a wonderful moment. Dwelling in the present moment, I know this is a wonderful moment. Continue to mindfully breathe in this way for as long as you like, following the breath all the way in, noticing the slight pause at the turning point as the in-breath becomes the out-breath, and following the breath all the way out. Noticing the brief pause at the turning point as the out-breath becomes the in-breath, aware of the steady, familiar rhythm of the breath. Just continuing to follow the breath in and out. As we bring this meditation to an end, keeping your eyes closed for just a little while longer, take a moment to notice how you are feeling. Your body, your mind, your spirit. If you like, offer gratitude for this time you have taken for yourself to be quiet, to breathe, and bring yourself back into balance. And slowly take this moment to just bring your awareness back to the room. Gently open your eyes and take one more long, deep breath, appreciating the breath and appreciating Thich Nhat Hanh, who was with us in this life to bring peace to each of us and peace to the world. And I'd like to end with some words by Thich Nhat Hanh. If you want to cry, please cry, and know that I will cry with you. The tears you shed will heal us both. Your tears are mine. The earth I tread this morning transcends history. Spring and winter are both present in the moment. The young leaf and the dead leaf are really one. Thank you and enjoy this day.
Thank you for joining us. We hope this meditation brings you peace and calm.